Hello friends, in today's session, I'm going to show you an amazing tool. I think we are all used to using keyboard and mouse, and we got so used to it. We got so used to using keyboard that we have practically, most of us at least, practically have forgotten to written by hand. We can't write by hand as much as we can type by keyboard. Now, there are a number of tools available in the market which can even make the keyboard obsolete. And these tools are speech recognition tools, which means they can hear what you are saying and they can type based on that. So you can give commands through your voice. Not just that, you can even type text through your voice. So if you are working as a writer, if you are working as a senior executive, maybe a technical writer, a instructional designer, a content writer, a journalist, a lecturer, and so on, and you want to prepare written material, I think this tool will be of extremely high importance to you. So today I'm going to show you that tool. So I have the tool in front of me here. So let me wear my headphone so that I can go ahead and use it. So for using this tool, I have to create my profile on this tool so that it can understand what I'm saying. Now, it's very important to mention here that the tool actually understands my Indian accent as well. So there is some amount of training that is required for me as well as the tool to sort of start understanding each other, right? So let's go ahead and look at the demo. So over here on the screen, you see that the tool has opened up. So the name of the tool is Dragon Naturally Speaking. And I'm going to open the Dragon Pad. So Dragon Pad is open here. You can see a blank screen here. And let me go ahead and talk. Now over here on the left corner, you'll see an icon of a mic. Right now, this mic is sort of not sensitive, or I have turned it off. So I'm going to turn it on. And after I do that, you can see the tool will start typing whatever I'm saying. So let's go ahead. So let's switch on the mic. Hello friends, comma, welcome to the speech recognition tools family, full stop. Next line, next line. I am giving this demonstration using Dragon Naturally Speaking, full stop. I am using this tool for last 3 years, full stop. The tool is able to understand my speech and convert that into text, full stop. Next line, next line. As you can see, comma, the accuracy of the tool is pretty high, full stop. It's actually able to recognize my voice, semicolon, along with my Indian accent, exclamation mark. Next line, next line. Very soon, we will not just remain writers, comma, will actually become talkers, exclamation mark. Next line, next line. To get a feel of how the tool is sensitive to the accent, I am going to write my name here now, full stop. Next line. Friends, my name is Makarand Pandit, full stop. Next line. Friends, my name is Makaranda Pandit. Select Pandit. 1. Choose 2. Select Pandit. 2. Cap that. Full stop. Next line, next line. I can even turn off the microphone by giving a simple command. Full stop. Go to sleep. So as you can see in the corner here, this icon indicates that the microphone is not really trying to recognize what I'm saying. Now I can go ahead and turn it on as well. Listen to me. Next line. As you can see now, comma, the microphone has been turned on. Full stop. So friends, there it is. It is Dragon Naturally Speaking, one of the best speech recognition tools available in the market today. Dragon Naturally Speaking can be used by a lot of busy executives like you and me. It has got a whole lot of features like spelling check, language, building different profiles for different users, and so on and so forth. It has got its own vocabulary, and it even gives you a lot of commands which can be used at Windows level. The objective of this video was to open up your mind to a new possibility of what's going to come in future. I'm sure you would have benefited from this video. Feel free to send me your feedback. Good luck.